I'm Emily van der Venter, Associate Director of Public Health at Warwickshire. I'm really pleased to say in the last 2 weeks, testing for coronavirus has increased across Warwickshire as our residents continue to do the right thing by getting themselves tested when they show symptoms. For many, the symptoms of coronavirus can be mild. Most will have at least one of the symptoms of a high temperature, a continuous new cough, or a change in sense of taste or smell. But symptoms can also include shortness of breath, sore throat, headache, fatigue, and sickness or diarrhea. These are lesser known symptoms but have been identified as being related to coronavirus. If you have any of these symptoms or you feel you've put yourself at risk of exposure to the virus, please get a test. Even if the virus gives you mild symptoms, it's important to stay at home, as should other members of your household. This will help prevent the risk of spreading the virus to others who may be more vulnerable to more severe symptoms or even death. It of course remains important that we all continue to socially distance, wash our hands regularly and wear a face covering where we can, particularly on buses, in shops or other indoor public spaces where you're likely to come across people who you don't normally meet. You can get a test by booking online on the NHS website. Simply go to www.nhs.uk/coronavirus and click on the link to get a test. Or you can telephone 119. If you have symptoms, you must of course immediately self-isolate along with other members of your household, and that means not going out the house for tasks such as shopping, and please do get help from others to do such activities. If your test comes back positive, you'll be contacted by NHS Test and Trace. You'll be asked to share details of anybody you've been in close contact with in the 2 days before your symptoms started and the duration of your illness. This is so the Test and Trace service can identify who you've been in contact with and could potentially be at risk. They'll then get in touch with your contacts and provide them with the essential advice they need to keep themselves and their loved ones safe. So please do the best you can to give them all the information they need to control the virus and stop the spread. Only by working together can we make a real difference. So please continue to follow the advice to self-isolate and get tested if you have symptoms, and continue to do the right thing for Warwickshire and everyone we care about. Thank you.